for this video. So I've partnered with a really cool brand. I found them through Instagram. They've been around since 2011 and they're cruelty-free and their packaging is mind-blowing. It is so cool. Like, just that, I don't know how to describe it. It's just like as soon as you see it, you're like. So they're called Espionage Cosmetics. They make eyeshadows, lip tints, and nail wraps, but the best part is the packaging. Oh my god. If you are into gaming, if you're just a nerd, you will love this brand. Even if you don't wear makeup, even if you're a guy, like, this would be cool just to have in your collection. So they sent me this little care package, and look at the sticker! It's Ariel. How did they know? She's my favorite. And it's hollow. Yes, real hollow, Christine, the nail queen. So let's open her up. I'm not sure what they sent me. I just know that they were gonna send me a package. So hopefully one of their cool little compacts are in here. So this brand is based in Washington, I believe. Oh my god, how cute. What is this? Frankenstein, there is the creature, but then there's the monster. Nerd manicures, it's a thing. So cute. So these are nail wraps. No heat or adhesive needed. All you need are these wraps, one nail file, and 10 minutes. 2 weeks. So 2 weeks of nerd manicure magic. So I'm guessing they stay on for 2 weeks. Man, these are really cool. So the design says, one of the designs for a nail is like little stitches, and it's black and green. Spirit as he is a monster, no one can feel more of deeply than he does. All the beauties, nature, the stars, sky, the sea. It just says a bunch of cool little things like about Frankenstein. Like, obviously the words are cut off because, you know, they're on nails. But anyways, these are really cute. So you apply them by measuring out the nail wraps to fit each finger. Peel off the clear plastic protective. Apply, wrap, aligning outer curved edge to cuticle. Press down, smooth out. Excess wrap over edge of nail. And file in one direction to remove excess. And secure with a top coat. Oh my god, it's so easy. If you have naturally long nails, this is so easy without going to a salon. Here's the brand's logo. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, and Tumblr. I was like, what's this T for? I haven't been on Tumblr in so long. So the next one is... Oh my god, these are so cute. These are called Burton-esque. One person's craziness is another person's reality. Oh my god, yes. They're so Tim Burton. They almost give me a My Chemical Romance feel too. Just because of the red, black, and white. Oh my god, they're so cute. It's like little Jack Skellington stripes, little wormholes, little heart with needles through. Oh my god, these are adorable. They also sent one's called Hunter. If it bleeds, we can kill it. Oh my god, why do I know this? Fandom infused manicure. So cute. So they're cruelty-free, international. You could also go to Espionage. I don't know if it's Espionage or Espionage. Cosmetics.com to also find these. Okay, here's the last one. Oh, how adorable! It's called Vandal Eyes. Oh, okay, I get it. I thought it was vandalized, like, but it's Vandal Eyes because they have little eyeballs. Oh my god, and it's a gradient from blue to purple. How cute. Look at this packaging. Oh my gosh. And you would apply these the same as before. Look at little bats. Freaking bats. I love Halloween. It says, welcome to the Nerd Misfit family. We're so excited to see what you come up with and watch your audience grow. That is so sweet. Well, it looks like that's all for this care package. I'm really sad that I didn't get their little compacts. I'm just gonna have to ask them for one or buy one myself because they are so cute. I have to show you them. So, here they are. Oh my god, that glare. Oh. So it says Nerd Makeup. So these compacts are made to look like the Game Boy Color's game cartridges that you would put in, and it even comes with the little clear case. Oh my gosh. And they are refillable, so you could get their eyeshadows. They have different eyeshadows to choose from. They have like lip, I don't know what you would call it, like lip gloss or lip tint. If you're a gamer, you have to have these in your collection. Or if you're just a makeup lover, beauty lover, they're just an awesome piece to have. They have a really cool one that's made to look like Zelda. It's using the same font, but it says Nerd Makeup. And then they also sell these nail wraps. So you can go on their site and buy them separately. I know that they were having a huge sale where these were $2 each. Or you could subscribe to their monthly nail mail where you'll be the first to see their new nail wraps. It's free shipping US and it's $15 a month, and every month has a different theme. If you subscribe to the monthly nail mail, you'll get 25% off all nail mail designs and 50% off winning designs each month. One of their most popular themes that they've had was Elves of Old, which was like mythical, you know, elves and spells and wizards and things like that, so it's really cool. If you want to customize your subscription, you could choose from original, literary, or gaming nail wraps. With your subscription, you'll receive the 2 newest nail wraps that they come out with. You'll also have a chance to vote on which nail wraps are the cutest, and those ones you will get 50% off on. So if you're somebody that has naturally long nails and don't want to go to a salon, or if you do your own acrylics, this is a fun and easy, cute way to have really neat, nerdy, colorful designs. So, as I said before, they're famous for their cartridge makeup compacts. Each design is made to look like a retro game. So they have one that is made to look like Mortal Kombat. I believe that one, it looks like a little ghost. It could be Pac-Man. I'm not sure if that's what they were going for. There's one made to look like Tetris. It is sold out. They have different colors. They have like original gray. They have black glitter or like this clear. I don't know if you remember, some cartridges looked clear, but they looked like they would glow in the dark. So those compacts are refillable. They have, if you go on their site, they have different pressed pigments or lip blush. I think that's what they call them. They call them lip blushes. And their refills are on sale right now for only $5. Look at these colors, how cute. They have a sparkly like champagne color. They have cool nerdy stickers. They even have Sonic the Hedgehog nail wraps, come on. They also have 4-pan palettes. They're really cute. It looks like they're safe to use on your eyes, face, lips. They're vegan, they're gluten-free. This eyeshadow palette is called RPG Eyeshadow Collection. That's so cute. They also have another palette. This one looks to be like Harry Potter themed. It's called Calaveria Eyeshadow Collection, and it also has 4 pigments. They look really pretty. This champagne color is named Alohomora. The black one is Obliviate. Ooh, this color's really pretty. This is called Furrow. And Lacernum Inflammari. I know I'm probably saying that all wrong. They look to be all metallics. They also have these really pretty glitter pigments. Oh my god. It's like, it's mixed with chunky glitter and fine glitter. Oh my god. It's called Galactic Glitter Jedi Mind Meld. Oh my god. Limited edition. And each one of these palettes and this glitter, it looks like it comes with a brush. Maybe you buy the brush separately. It looks like a little packer brush. It's really cute. Oh my god, I had no idea they even sell leggings. Look, it matches the nail wraps they gave me. How adorable is that? So, like I said, you can find them on Instagram at Espionage Beauty. This is how you spell it, if you need to know. Be sure to also follow me on Instagram at Eradicate. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I also have a discount code with Espionage Beauty. So, you can use my code, my first code. I'm so excited. You can use my code on their site for 15% off, and the code is anything for Selena's. That's anything, the number 4, and my name, Selena's. So just go check out this brand. They're so awesome. If you're a nerd, if you're creepy like me, they have things for everyone. They have things for literary nerds, gaming nerds, horror nerds. They are just a really cool small business brand that definitely needs more exposure. So give this a like, share it, follow them on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. Check out their shop. They're always having sales. And if you try it, let me know what you think. In another video, I'm going to put acrylics on my nails and try these wraps out. And soon, hopefully, get one of their makeup compacts. That's, oh, I really want one. I don't know if I already said to subscribe, but if you aren't already, why not? Alright, well, thank you to Espionage. You guys are so nice. I love you so much. Thank you for sending me these. I can't wait to try them out. I know they're going to be awesome. I guess that's it. Now, beat it, you nerds.